Okay, so this is a pump test for the Gevi automatic pour over coffee machine. So here we go. We're taking the top off. Get this thing to light up. And we're pouring room temperature water to the max line. Put it back on. Carafe underneath. Going to, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little nut there. We're going to push this 8 times. And it's the water pump test. And if you can see, push start. And this is a understanding that this is just to make sure that the water's pump is actually working. Alright, well, I don't know if it's supposed to shut off on its own, but it doesn't seem to make sense to let it run when there's no water, so we'll push finish.